good, y'all? Welcome back to Shoe Talk. Of course, I'm the Maverick, and today we have another banger. One of my favorite shoes by far this year. The Orchid Women Air Jordan 4s. We have them early, of course. This is a real pair, not a rep. Let's get into the unboxing. I really like these shoes. I definitely think that they did a good job with this women pair. I do think that it will also be good for men too, because it's not like super girly. Like, I know y'all seen the mock-up pictures, and this is like completely different and way better than the mock-up picture. So yeah, I like it. I think a man and woman could definitely rock these. You definitely have to know how to dress, but alright guys, this is the box that is coming in. No special box, just a regular box. I do think it would have been nice if they did like a different top, like the same color as the shoe. This is how it comes wrapped. I did notice that it's kind of made like the UNC 4s. This is what they look like. As you can see, we have the orchid color all over the shoe. I do like the material. I think it's really good material. You gotta be careful though. I feel like if you scuff it, it's gonna look kind of bad. And you might have to be careful cleaning it too if it does get dirty. They have black behind the netting. I do like that too. Pink suede. Then we have that speckled cement on the midsole. And then we have it on the wings right here. Then on the heel tab as well. Also, we have this tag on the tongue of the shoe. On the UNC, they have like this another tag, but these don't have it. So that's the difference of those two. And of course the colors. This is what the inside looks like. Has another little Air Jordan. And this is the bottom of the shoe. Definitely like the shoe. I do like the way they utilize the colors. I like that they put the black behind the netting, on the sole, and on the eyelets. I think that worked really well with the shoe. I like the cement on the midsole and on the wings and the tab. I think that looked really nice. And overall, I just really like the color. I think it's a great women's shoe. It's not like no super girly. You know, it's a good shoe. I think men and women can rock this for sure. It's not super like loud pink, bright pink. It's just a nice, subtle pink. And I like that. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about the shoe. The only thing that I don't like is I heard that it's only just going to be women's, no toddler preschool. I do think that this would look real cute on little girls. But it's just a women's shoe. They do come with black laces, so I do think they should have came with like some white ones or some gray ones. I think that would have looked really good. I don't know if I would actually use these. I kind of prefer the pink, but make sure your pair come with a pair of black laces. Coming out on October 26th. So make sure y'all check that out. Yeah. Orchid Women Jordan 4s. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It's going to be 3_shoe_room on all platforms. Be sure to check that out. We do have some videos coming soon. Oh, and make sure y'all follow my account as well, her.souls. I do have some videos coming out on just overall shoes, outfits, and just shoes that I buy and like. But yeah, make sure y'all check that out. And this has been another episode. Peace.